feature kwa DCI encourages anonymous reporting, which with this upgrade has become more accessible than ever. Since its inception, the feature kwa DCI Center has provided an anonymous and secure channel through which the public, both locally and internationally, can share intelligence on crime via our toll-free number 0800-722-203. With the upgraded system, sir, we are proud to announce that the public can now share information confidentially through WhatsApp at 0709-570-000. This enhancement not only improves accessibility, but also aligns with our goal of adapting to rapid technological advancements in our crime-fighting methods and strategies. Among the main achievements of the Center, we have effectively addressed serious and complex crimes, thanks to the courage of the citizenry in reporting suspicious activities.